Delight thyself also in the Lord, and he shall give thee the desires of thine heart. Psalms 37, verse 4. What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. I know this is an awkward position, but I'm going to explain myself right now. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I do to my crochet hair, my braiding hair, my synthetic hair, whatever hair that I get that's not human hair. This is what I do to detox the hair, or should I say rinse or wash the hair before I actually install it. And if you guys are anything like me, and when you install your synthetic hair, your scalp itches like somebody just placed you on the fire, you do not want to miss this step. Trust you, girl. I will not lead you astray, okay? So today, this is the hair we're going to be using. And I got this on discount at a African store in Bad Kreuznach. And the name of the store, I think, is Styles by Hand. I can't really remember. But this was actually in the sale bin. So I got this on discount for 2 for 10 euros. And I wish I had like 2 more packs just to be safe. But unfortunately, this is all the hair in this style that was in the bin that I could find. And I couldn't find it outside the bin. So we're going to have to work with this. But anywho's, if you guys want to see the installation, you definitely have to stay tuned to the channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell because I'm going to be giving you guys all of my crochet secrets. Okay? So stay tuned for that video. So in order to clean this hair, you're going to need a bucket, definitely. Or if you guys prefer to put it in the sink or the tub, whatever you guys prefer is definitely okay. I prefer using a bucket because, I don't know, I can manage it a little better. And I don't want to put it in the sink because I don't want hair going down the drain. And then you're going to need some apple cider vinegar. Any apple cider vinegar is fine. This is just the one that I have, and I'm going to be using it. This is the one with the mother inside it, but you don't have to use the one with the mother inside it. You can even use the white apple cider vinegar, but I prefer to use this one because of the pH balance that it offers. But if you guys want to use the white, go ahead and use the white. So what you want to do is you want to pour a good amount of this into your bin. And because I'm using about 4 packs, I'm going to put a good amount. Okay, that should be good. And then you want to fill your bin with some hot tap water. It does not have to be boiling water, but you want to put some hot tap water inside your bin. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. So now that you have your hot water or warm water in your bin with your apple cider vinegar or your regular vinegar, you just want to take your crochet hair or your braiding hair or whatever synthetic hair that you may be using, and you just want to go ahead and press that down into the water. And you also want to leave this little band that comes on the hair. You want to leave that. You don't want to separate the hair and put it into water. You want to keep it attached so the hair stays in good condition. So let me give a sec. Let me just take this paper off because I didn't see this. Okay, you just want to take the hair and leave it inside the water for at least a half an hour. And what this does is this strips the chemical that they coat the hair with that you may be allergic to. If your scalp itches, then you might be allergic to the chemical that they use to put that silky texture onto the hair. So what this does is this removes that, as well as any bacteria or pesticides that may be living in the hair. So you definitely want to do this before you use crochet hair or braiding hair, because when you put this on your scalp, all of that foolishness goes into your hair and into your scalp, and it can cause damages such as alopecia, thinning of the hair, and damage to your scalp and cuticles, as well as a lot of breakage because it weakens the hair. So you definitely want to do this first, guys. So I'm going to leave this for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and show you guys what I do afterwards. 20 minutes has already passed, and as you guys can see, the water is just a little cloudy. This is actually very nice. That means the hair wasn't as dirty as I thought it would have been. So I'm just going to take this out of the water, and then I'm going to start with washing the hair. And this is just to take the scent of the apple cider vinegar out. But to be honest, I don't think you even need to wash the hair, because apple cider vinegar dies off. The smell dies off after a while, but we're just gonna wash just for an extra cleaning process. So I'll be back. So to wash the hair, you can use any shampoo or conditioner that you have. First, I'm going to start off just by washing the hair just a little to take out some of that apple cider vinegar, and then I'm going to go in with my conditioner, and I'm going to soak the hair in the conditioner for about an hour just to bring back some of that nice softness. Even though the hair is already soft, we just want to make sure that it's manageable. So we're going to soak it after the wash in the conditioner. And you don't want to rub the hair together because it is synthetic. So just go ahead and just make sure you're squeezing the shampoo throughout the hair, and that is it. Now we are at the last and final step, and it's just going to be adding conditioner. Like I said, you guys don't have to have any special or expensive kind of conditioner. You just want to have a nice conditioner to soak the hair in, and I think that's enough. And I really like Garnier Fructress shampoo and conditioner. I've been using this for a while now, and my hair seems to like it. Only thing I would say is it's not as moisturizing as I would like it to be. So if I use this on my natural hair, I would go in with oils and to help with the slippage and help me detangle my hair because my hair is natural, but this is pretty okay. But if you guys have any, more moisturizing conditioners that you know of, let your girl know in the comments, please. Thank you, and I would appreciate that. So all you want to do is just go ahead and add the hair into this, and we are going to let this soak for, I'm going to say an hour, but I'm probably going to leave it longer. So, but an hour to an hour and a half maybe. So after conditioning the hair, what you can do is you can go in with a blow dryer on cool air, of course, and just blow it dry, or you can leave it overnight for it to just air dry, and that's what I usually do. So I'm just gonna leave it here to air dry before I actually go in and manipulate the hair anymore, or before I install. And that's about it. I hope this video was helpful, guys. I hope you learn a little something, because you want to make sure that you do clean these hair before you put it in your head, because a lot of bacteria, pesticides, as well as the toxins from the products that they use to get the hair shiny and all that stuff, all of that can actually transfer to your scalp, and that's what we want to avoid. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. I would definitely appreciate it. And make sure you stay tuned for the install. Like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys a few of my secrets, and I know that they will be helpful. So until next time, as always, peace and love.